Yo, what it do, YouTube? I'm gonna show y'all something real quick. Alright, so when I went about them speed metal flush mounts for my CBR, damn, hold up, I can't hear nothing. It's all the way up. Damn, I thought my phone got louder than that. But anyway, the indicator leads that they were selling with it didn't fit the stock signal harness. It said it did, but damn it, it didn't fit mine. I made sure I had it in the right way, but it wasn't fitting. So I got my $6 back and said I'd make my own out of the stock wiring harness for the blanket. And where'd it go? I don't need that. Alright, so basically I cut the end of that off, and the solid orange, you see that? The solid orange is the positive, the green's the negative. This orange and white is the running, daytime running light. And there's no way to incorporate that I know of. Maybe you can incorporate it on the positive wiring over here, but I didn't. I don't even see a need for them to be on all the time, no way. I can't wait to get rid of those back there. And I ain't even got a relay for it. I don't care about the fast flashing rate. It's cool with me. But anyway, check it out. Hold up. Yeah, that phone ain't gonna stay up. So, okay, stayed up. Oh, okay. Where'd my key go? Y'all see that? I don't know if you can or not. But it worked though, you see what I'm saying? Yeah, I dropped it. Anyway, so that's how you do that in case you run into that situation like I did. Unless you're smarter than I am and know where to get that motherfucker to fit. Then go ahead, holler at your boy and share a secret or something. But anyway, I'm finna go ahead and cut this wire since I don't need it. And go ahead and throw the other one in on the other side. I had them on here, but they just wasn't hooked up. So now they're finna be hooked up. Deucelins.